How to cancel your Semrush free trial? So click here and click on subscription info. Here you will see recurring active. So click this drop down to disable recurring payment. Click here contact us. Now click on continue to cancel. Select any reason, then continue. Now here you will see this option cancel subscription. Your name, your email. Then click on cancel subscription. Now open your Gmail. Now cancel your subscription. So this way you can cancel Semrush free trial subscription. Thanks for watching.